Okay, we just made it. Um, that's that's it. The most abandoned abandoned place sa school. Okay, let's go there. Top of there. Jesus, that's the most scary. That's creepy. Abandoned. Uh, Creepy places. So this is a bathroom. This okay. That's a yellow door. A boy. This white door. This a girl. Some bathroom. Bro, the chairs is creepy. Let's go there, Sam. He's open. He's locked, but there is a open the door. Let's go. Gosh, do I hear it? There, there is hear it. Do I hear it up there? It's not voice ghost. It's a speaker voice. A a girl. He, he's the dancing there. There is a dancing there. Or gonna make some teachers. Oh my gosh, there is a people. God, there's a people. Did you see that? I saw this people. Yes, here. Oh shit. That's that's creepy as well. But then there is a people over there. I saw. Did you see? Did you saw there? Did you see that? A kids. A kids gonna practice. So or so. I'm gonna go there. Oh shit. Hello? Boy, I'm scary. I scared. I don't want to go there. So shoot. So very creepy here. I gonna stay for 1 hour. I gonna stay 4 hour. This I saw that there is. This is my school over there. This is a good. There's yes. This is my school. Name is Bed Center. Two boys here is gonna build the stage. So this is my school. School is not boring. I love school. I love school always. Then it was better. So my classmate girl and boy. Man, that bed is creepy. And then also chairs and bed. That's I don't know. Kind of creepy. So oh shit. There is a chairs, so creepy chairs. Is this the stage? It's one whole time, but stage is a stage. I don't know. Look at the roof. His roof is broken already. I don't know. But what happened is storm, is a rainy storm, but windy storm or not. I don't know. It's just broken. When the build about total 2011 or the 2010 or 2009 2008 I don't know what happened here. I have how many years old? 8 years old or sunset when 8 years old. So oh, shit, there's a people. I saw there. So creepy here. Oh god, people just saw me. Saw me. It's a girl. He's gonna to tell the guard. So let's finish the video. Okay. I don't want to go jail. I'm afraid. Many years. I love school. I I don't like the jail. So do I hear it? Do I hear it? Oh, there. So there. Shit. There is a snake. Quack, quack. There's a snake or not? I don't know that there is a snake. I don't want to go there to the bathroom. It's very scary. There is a monster. There's a ghost. There is a skinwalker or a monster. Ernie Legend. Let's tell the monster about creature. The ghost, skinwalker, or monster. Like everything. Okay, let's tell. Hello? I should be here. Not not talking the ghost. There is a boy talking here. My skull. Not ghost. Not ghost talking. Okay. Hello? Is there the ghost Skywalker? Tell me. So creepy here. I'm not afraid, but I'm afraid. So I want talking to. I want talking to you. Do you want to talk to me? I miss talking to me. I want talking to you. Come on. Show yourself. Um, that ghost and the monster, like Skywalker, everything is 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 saw me or not. I don't know if this so creepy. Maybe to a bathroom this would make it. Hello? Are you in a bathroom? Are you in a oh shit, this open the door. Are you a monster or ghost or Skywalker? Man, that's not talking. That's so creepy. That's creepy there. I scared this annihilation, Skywalker, ghost, monster. The annihilation, ghost, monster, Skywalker, everything is gonna eat me. Hello? Are you gonna eat me? Humans is a food. Humans not food. That's food is healthy for festival. I I just need everything. That's insane because are you stay here all night? I don't want a night of the so okay. Maybe so I don't know. Like I think 24 minutes later. So let's go there fine. I will stay here. My cameraman. There is no someone. There is my cell phone is shaking. Okay, I will stay. I will stay. I almost forgot. My phone. If so, the chicken. No someone here. The ghost touching my phone. Okay. Where's my weapon? So pet. So, the pets. Here we go. Stop. Okay, I will be back. There is a voice that goes Skywalker, monster, creature, everything. There is a talking, not people. It's a ghost. We stay here. I will back there. No? it. I can do it. There is a creepy. I can do it. I can do it there. I can do it. Let's go home. This so very very creepy here, or I think this is 43 minutes later. It's a tow farm to my home. Let's go there to my school. Let's go. Hello, cat. Where are you going? Where are you going? Are you go to Mass Haunted Place School stage? Oh, I saw in the cat again. Okay, let's go there.